Prime Minister Andrew Holness recently offered a breakdown of the government's expenditure and revenue estimates for the start of the financial year. JIS took to the streets of Kingston to hear your views on some of the recent financial changes.
It is a good move for poor people, but what about those who can't afford it? There are those in the society who can afford it and more, they should pay.
As a student myself, I would really appreciate that, I think that would be a good change for the environment and the country, so that's a plus. That's a plus.
That's a good thing for the student.
Great for people, the kids who really want to go ahead, who really want to get out. Like you're in the ghetto, you need to get out. So that's the only things that are going to get you out.
The helmet thing a good thing to cause some of the bike them can't buy helmet.
Cool, I'll go with me 10,000. But I want the one with the sitting up here so where they can't video now. If me I do wrong or right.